The unusual nature of Box cloud is a very rare giant cloud. It is also the longest monolithic cloud observed so far. It stretches for hundreds of kilometers without seeing the border, which is extremely shocking. The height of this cloud is very low. As if it is like a scene in a sci-fi movie. It is as if it is sweeping the entire sky with the power of the sky. It gives people a strong sense of oppression. In 2001, the most southern part of India, Kalabanga, started a bloodshed. This bloodshed lasted for nearly 2 months. Many rivers in India were dyed red. The streets and roads were also dyed red. Extreme weather has affected the daily lives of the locals. It makes people worry. Ecological degradation is intensifying. Nature seems to be knocking on the door of mankind in this way. In the Death Valley of California, USA, there is a kind of stone that can move by itself. These mysterious stones don't seem to be blown by the wind to roll forward, but it's like a foot. Leave a long mark on the bottom of the dry river. However, this is not considered a prank. Until 2014, geological scientists used rock recording. They barely explained that this magical phenomenon was caused by the freezing of the ground. The rocks slide but in the laboratory through simulation, but not once was it able to successfully restore this phenomenon. Boyan Dragon tornado is also known as fire tornado after the strong heat in the air and the flow of wind are combined form a swirling air wave. These air waves can tighten, form a structure similar to a dragon's tornado. A strong dragon's tornado, a hot flame of up to 1000 degrees Celsius, like a raging fire. Dragon forests and villages around here, the places where they go, are all ashes. In the north of Tanzania, Africa, there is a hellish lake under the seemingly calm lake, hiding deadly killings. All animals that are infected with lake water will be turned into statues. It's like a demon. They will always keep their mother face before being covered. Unyielding because the pH of this lake is more than 10. The terrible corrosion makes all birds and animals dare not approach easily. However, in this hellish place there are millions of fire birds. A pair of long legs and thick feet make them able to ignore the corrosion here. They have no natural enemies. They like to eat the seaweed that contains lupin in the lake. This also creates the dreamlike color on their bodies. The dark black wax elephant and the fire bird form a strong visual impact as if they were in the outer space. The strange nature is to humans it's like a magical room that changes suddenly. Humans think they know enough about the earth, but what we see is just a corner of the iceberg.